Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to talk about the NPTEL August examination 2021. So here you might have got email regarding system compatibility test login credential. And guys, today and tomorrow is the date, that is August 16 and August 17 is the date to check your compatibility. Okay, dear. So, in what case you are getting this compatibility test? It means the NPTEL is going to conduct examination on 22 August. If you have enrolled more than two courses, like three courses, four courses, then in a day you can only write two NPTEL examination, right? So for remaining courses, you have to attend examination online, remotely. So you can either go to TCS and center, or you can write from your home or center, any cyber center, or from your lab or library, any place you can write as per your convenience. For that only this compatibility test is coming. If someone has maximum two courses enrolled and that is on August 22, you may not get this compatibility test. Definitely you will not get. Okay. If you have more than two courses, you will get this. So this is for testing how your system is. Will your system work perfectly at the time of examination or not? For that only this test is, and this is mandatory test. If you want to confirm that you are going to attempt this examination smoothly, and even you have to fill the form. Even these people have provided WhatsApp group. You can join the WhatsApp group and ask your problem if you are facing any problem. Let me show you everything very quickly, very simply, and I hope this video is going to help you out. And still, if you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section at end of the video. So you can see here is system compatibility test, right? So system based compatibility test examination, and this is from npteliitm.ac.in. So in order to your system or laptop is compatible to run the secure browser on the internet based protected examination August 2021, we will conducting a system compatibility test online mode. Important, the system compatibility mock test will happen online from the your place of stay. So you can write from your home also. And if you want to follow the step, you can go through. Would start the compatibility test, you can click there and proceed. Okay. So you will get like this interface. For this, you have to do very simple. You may have got the login ID and the password. Please don't use my login and password. This is just I am using for educational purpose. So please don't misuse it. Okay. Even I can blur this area, but I am not doing because I want to give you the clear cut detail. You can put there and you can click login. Once you log in, you can see all those details. This is the dummy test, so your name is not there. But once you are attempting on the actual exam dates, you will get those details, every details. In online assessment, you can click and you can check your online assessment will be there. Okay, upcoming, completed, everything will be there. Okay. For current, you can click on launch and you can launch your test. Once you click on launch, I think this things is not going to be recorded anymore. So I am going to explain you something. So once you launch, you will get one like you have to download one browser. So that browser is very simple extension, and that is known as IBA Launcher. So that exe file you download and install that file, and once you launch, you will get one key. That key you have to copy and paste to that browser and select the Chrome, and you have to start. Once you start, all your other browser will be closed, the application will be closed, and only that IBA launcher will work. And that way you can proceed for examination. And once you complete the examination, there is some duration, some 11 or 15-minute duration. You have to wait for particular duration. Then only you will get submit button. And then after you can click submit button and you can go. If you want to know more about, you want to experience more this feature, then you can go to TCS Ion platform and you can enroll any of the free courses, communication skill or anything, and you can give any assignment there available. So the environment is completely same. You can give and take the multiple attempts. So let me try it lunch. I will check how far it is capturing. So launching you can see. So this way it will take some time. Okay, you can see the key is available here. So this key is valid for 10 minutes. If you are not able to use this key for 10 minutes, again you can click on the launch by going to the login and again you will get new key. Okay, you note the key, even you can copy the key and you can click on download exe file. So you can see download is happening. Once it is downloaded, you can go and click something like open. Once you click on open, it will go to the like new window will open. Okay, it is not visible on your screen, but it will open. I am just telling you follow the instruction. And then after you have to, there is key blank is there. You have to paste your key Control V or type your key. In browser, you select your Chrome browser. Okay. Then after there is one tick mark, all running application will close. Tick there and click on launch. Once you click on launch, all your browser will close. If I click right now, the launch, this all recording will stop. So I am not clicking. Launch there, and you will get entire thing. All those details section wise, section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. Like that you will get, and you can attempt and you can complete it. Today I attended the test. There was no web camera, but they will having the web camera in main examination. I hope so. Let's see how they are doing. So this all step is given here. You can follow that. Okay, your camera, everything step 4. Follow this. And today there was no camera. Maybe they are using camera during examination. So check that accordingly. Okay, and remaining requirement is here. I hope you are smart enough to go through. And if you really like my content, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, share this video, and like the video. And I hope you are getting the help. And if you have any confusion regarding this, please let me know in the comment section. Even you can approach to me using WhatsApp or any social media handle. I will definitely reply back within 24 hours. Once again, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with Deep Coded, and happy learning. All the best for examination also.